Want to start eating gluten-free? Well then let's start with understanding the gluten-free diet. A gluten-free diet is essential for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, as it excludes gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. However, many people without these conditions are also considering this diet, often believing it to be a healthier lifestyle choice. According to Rajagopal from Johns Hopkins Medicine, gluten is a protein naturally occurring in certain foods, but it can also be added to foods during processing for texture. This means that gluten can be present in unexpected products, making it crucial to read labels carefully. Why go gluten-free? People may choose to adopt a gluten-free diet for various reasons. Celiac disease, a serious autoimmune condition where ingestion of gluten leads to damage in the small intestine. Non-celiac gluten sensitivity, some individuals report symptoms like bloating and fatigue when consuming gluten, even without celiac disease. Health trends, many believe that avoiding gluten can lead to weight loss or improved overall health. However, Dr. Peter Green, director of the Celiac Disease Center at Columbia University, warns against the assumption that gluten-free diets are inherently healthier. He states, for the average person, there's zero proof that going gluten-free helps with any of this stuff. Getting started with a gluten-free diet. If you decide to try a gluten-free diet, consider the following steps. 1. Consult a healthcare professional. Before making dietary changes, it's advisable to speak with a physician or registered dietitian. They can provide guidance tailored to your nutritional needs and help rule out celiac disease through appropriate testing. 2. Educate yourself on gluten sources. Familiarize yourself with foods that contain gluten. This includes not just obvious sources like bread and pasta but also less apparent items like sauces and processed snacks. 3. Read labels. Always check food labels for gluten content. Look for products specifically labeled as gluten-free. Be cautious of cross-contamination in facilities that process both gluten-containing and gluten-free foods. 4. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and naturally gluten-free grains like quinoa and rice. This approach ensures you receive essential nutrients while avoiding processed gluten-free products that may be high in sugar and unhealthy fats. 5. Mindful eating. Pay attention to how your body responds to dietary changes. Some individuals may feel better after eliminating gluten due to reduced intake of processed foods rather than the absence of gluten itself. Common mistakes when going gluten-free. Many newcomers to a gluten-free diet make several common errors. Assuming all gluten-free foods are healthy, just because a product is labeled gluten-free does not mean it is nutritious. Many gluten-free alternatives are highly processed and can be just as unhealthy as their gluten-containing counterparts. Neglecting nutritional balance. Removing gluten can lead to deficiencies in fiber and essential vitamins if not managed properly. Incorporating a variety of whole grains and legumes is crucial for maintaining a balanced diet. Overlooking other dietary needs. Focusing solely on eliminating gluten may cause individuals to ignore other important aspects of their diet. It's essential to maintain an overall healthy eating pattern rather than fixating on one component. So the overall conclusion is, adopting a gluten-free diet can be beneficial for those with specific health conditions but requires careful planning and consideration. Consulting healthcare professionals, focusing on whole foods, and being mindful of nutritional balance are key components of successfully transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle. As Dr. Green aptly puts it, if you're going to pick a diet that treats a specific condition, you should be tested for that condition first. This ensures that any dietary changes made are appropriate for your health needs rather than following trends without understanding their implications.